Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between strategy and policy. The strategy is a game plan, chosen to achieve the organizational objectives, gain customers' trust, attain competitive advantage and to acquire a market position. It is a combination of well-thought intent and actions which lead to the organization towards its desired position or destination. On the other hand, the policy is also regarded as a mini-mission statement, is a set of principles and rules which direct the decisions of the organization. Policies are framed by the top-level management of the organization to serve as a guideline for operational decision-making. So, let's look into the basic differences between strategy and policy in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Strategy is a comprehensive plan, made to accomplish the organizational goals. On the other hand, policy is the guiding principle that helps the organization to take logical decisions. Number 2. The strategy is a plan of action, whereas the policy is a principle of action. Number 3. Strategies are flexible in nature, whereas policies are fixed in nature, but they allow exceptional situations. Number 4. Strategies are associated with the organizational moves and decisions for the situations and conditions which are not encountered or experienced earlier. On the contrary, policies define the rules for routine activities, which are repetitive in nature. Number 5. Strategies are concentrated toward actions, whereas policies are decision-oriented. Number 6. The top management always frames strategies, but sub-strategies are formulated at the middle level, whereas policies are, in general, made by the top management. Number 7. Strategies deal with external environmental factors. On the other hand, policies are made for the internal environment of business. And, difference number 8. Strategies often contain methodologies used to achieve the set target. In contrast, policies determine what is to be done and what should not be done in specific circumstances.